I can't see, but the spirit in me rises and exposes every strategy. They belong to made of hatred. They lit fires hoping I would fall, but the God who fights my battles is about to answer every call. I'm not afraid of shadows. I'm not moved by threats. I stand in holy armor, and heaven handles the rest. Head down the enemy camp. Let every stronghold crumble where it stands. Head down the enemy camp. Let every demon flee at your command. Send your fire, send your wind. Let the war in heaven begin. Head down the enemy camp. 'Cause I'm covered by the power of the great I am. They try to curse what you anointed, try to bind what you set free. They tried to dig a pit for me, but they fell in their own deceit. You scatter every wicked plan, you overturn what they designed. You send confusion in their camp till they can't even find their minds. I'm not afraid of shadows. I'm not moved by threats. I stand in holy armor, and heaven handles the rest. Tear down the enemy camp. Let every stronghold crumble where it stands. Tear down the enemy camp. Let every demon free at your command. Send your fire, send your wind. Let the war in heaven begin. Tear down the enemy camp. 'Cause I'm covered by the power of the great I am. Every altar built in secret, burn every contract made in darkness, scatter every counsel of the wicked, silence every tongue that rose against us. Let the arrows they shot return to sender. Let the traps they set collapse forever. I stand in prayer and you bring judgment. I stand in praise and you bring vengeance. Let the walls fall flat like Jericho. Tear down the let the fire of God consume every plan. I won't fear, I won't run. I'm protected by the sun. Tear down the enemy camp. 'Cause the battle is the Lord's and the victory